Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be showcasing a live project breakdown that I did for client that will actually scrap the Gazette UK website that contains the official public records of people. You can see here. So it contains many records you can see. So I created a Python script that will basically scrap and loop through all of this using BeautifulSoup and requests. So you can see the best listing URL basically is the London. So we will be targeting the London leads, and you can see in this uh, URL. So you can see I have put in, so it will basically filter out what I need, so I can actually change it. And so here you can see it will actually loop through the pages automatically without me clicking. So the column you can see, I'm getting all of the columns, like company name, solicitor name, telephone number. Now the thing is that if I open a few listings, I will show you that in this block you can see that the email addresses, the phone number are actually scattered in this block, and they are actually not the same on every listing. So I had to make a logic in my Python script that will actually target each listing quite properly, because one logic might not work on every listing. So anyways, I will now run the script and show you the results. So you can see it's very fast scraping. It has already scraped 45 rows so far, and also it has fetched around 110 pages that will loop through. So now I will just stop this script and I will show you the results. So you can see we have got the results. So you can see all the columns are present here. So if you like this script and if you want me to scrap any website for you, please do consider connecting with me, and thank you for watching.